treasury bills, that's another basket.
Iba pa yan.
Government bonds is just bonds.
Okay.
Ganon. So
Mm.
treasury bills, treasury notes is
Yes.
another terms of investment. But it can be inside of that conservative basket. Conservative
Oo.
basket composed of government bonds,
Mm.
treasury bills, treasury notes, yung
Ah.
mga ganon.
Kasi yun yung mga
So,
tinatawag na slow burn. In other words, you're in it for the long term.
long term, a little bit long, yes.
Mm-mm.
More than 5 years.